the Panic of the 1907 and the Pujo Committee in 1913. The Pujo Committee unanimously determined that the small cabal of the financiers had gained the consolidated control of the numerous industries through the abuse of the public trust. In the United States, the chair of the House Committee on Banking and Currency, Representative Aris Pujo, convened a special committee to investigate money trust, the de facto monopoly of the Morgan and New York, other most powerful bankers, and the committee issues a scathing report on the banking trade and found that the officer of J.P. Morgan and Co. also sat on the board of the director of 112 Corporation with the market capitalization of 22.5 billion. The total capitalization of the New York Stock Exchange was then estimated at 26.5 billion. Attorney Samuel Atmeyer, who headed the 1913 Pujo Money Trust Investigation Committee to investigate money trust, defined a money trust to George Baker. During the Pujo hearing, we defined a money for trust as established, identify and community of the interest between a few leaders of a finance which has been created is held together through stockholder and interlocking directors and the other forms of the domination. Our banks and trust campaign, railroads, public services and industries corporation, and which has resulted in vast and growing concentration and control of the money and credit in the hands of the few men. The Pujo Committee concluded that a committee of influential financial leaders had gained control of a major manufacturing and transportation, mining, telecommunication, and financial market of the United States. The report revealed that no laws that 18 different major financial coordination were under the control of the Central, led by J.P. Morgan, George F. Baker, and James Stillman. These three men, through the resources of the 7 banks and trust companies, Bankers and Trust Corp, Guaranty Trust Co., Oster and Trust Co., National Banker of Commerce and Liberty, National Bankers, Chase, National Banker, Farmer, Leon and Trust Co., control an estimated 2.1 billion. The report revealed that a handful of the men held manipulated control of the New York Stock Exchange in an attempt to evade interstate trade laws. The Pujo reports singled out individual bankers including Paul Warburg and Jacob H. Schick, Felix M. Wilbur Warburg, Frank E. Peabody, Williams Rockefeller, and Benjamin Strong and Jr. The report identified over 22 billion in the resources and capitalization controlled through 4341 dictatorship held in the 112 corporations by members of the empire headed by J.P. Morgan. The finding of the committee inspired public support for the ratification of the 16th Amendment in 1913, passage of the Federal Reserve Act that same year, the passage of the Clayton Antitrust Act in 1914. They were also widely publicized in the Louis Brady's book Others, Peoples and Money and How the Banker Use It.